Oh my God. Hi you guys, it's Channon Rose and I'm so excited because I'm getting ready to do a P.O. box unboxing. Honestly, I moved recently and so a lot of this stuff came to my mom and my mom was like, oh yeah, you have a couple packages, and I was like, oh, how exciting. I get so excited. And so I had them delivered to me and I was like, oh my God. It's like a massive P.O. box unboxing. I'm so excited to open all these packages. I am currently 9 months pregnant. I know it's kind of hard to tell. And I cannot even sit on the bed because my belly is so big. I can't like sit like Indian style. So I'm like off to the side a little bit. And also just as a precaution, I'm just gonna be using gloves to open all the packages. I don't want to get sick right before the baby is due. So that's why I'm doing this. It's not because I like am grossed out. I've always opened my packages like not with gloves on. So I don't want people to think I'm like grossed out by their packages. Totally not the case. I'm just trying to like be safe for me and the baby. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start from the top. This is a fun little bright colored package. It's like Christmas. Is there a note or anything? I don't know. Does it look like there's like a note? Okay, let's open it up. Maybe there's a note inside the box. Oh my gosh, how cute! You guys, that is adorable. It says snow. I think these are crayons. Oh my gosh, she is gonna love this. I wish I knew who this was. Oh, here we go. There's a little sticker inside. It says, follow me on Instagram at Crafty Corner 3.0. So Crafty Corner 3.0, thank you so much for sending these. These are adorable. She's gonna absolutely love these. She loves drawing right now, and to have like crayons spelled out in her name, adorbs dorbs. Thank you very much. That was very sweet. Okay, next package. One looks like it's already been opened. Let's see. Oh, all right. So this is really a funny story. Hold on. Okay, a while back when I had snow, or when I was pregnant with snow, I asked a lot of you guys like, hey, I'm making a baby registry. Let me know like what I should put on it. And then I was like, this is what I have so far. Like, let me know what I should add. And holy shit, you guys, like I didn't realize that like people would send me gifts off my registry. Like I was just asking for advice on like what to get. And I don't know if you guys saw those videos, but like honestly, I was like in tears like when I saw all these packages arriving from people like I didn't even know that were like supporting my IVF journey and just like had been on that like journey with me to have Snow and wanted to like send something for her. And it was like I was so overwhelmed with so much love, and they sent so many like literally almost everything that was on my registry people had got for Snow, and I was so grateful. And I did like these massive P.O. box unboxings that you can go back and watch if you want, if you're into those kind of videos. This time, because I already got so much stuff and I have almost everything I need for Storm because of Snow and all of you guys that were so generous and sent so many gifts for her, I'm able to like now use for the second baby, which is amazing. But this time around, I didn't tell anybody about my registry because I felt so bad the last time that so many people sent gifts, and I didn't want people to think that like I wanted them to get me gifts or anything. So like I didn't say anything, right? I just made it private for myself because you can like after a certain amount of time you can get discounts if you buy your own stuff off your registry. So I was like, oh, it's a great way to save money. I'll put like diapers and like, you know, different things like that. Well, one of you guys was pretty good and somehow found my registry. I guess you could just type in my name and it comes up. And this is the crazy thing is like I had ordered all that stuff not to my P.O. box but to my mom's house. Like I put my mom's address for that, and all of a sudden like a couple of these packages came to my mom's house, and she's like, oh, you got packages. And normally when I send packages to my mom's house, it's like just for like PR stuff or, you know, like sponsored stuff. So I was like, oh, can you open up and see what it is? I thought it was like a work thing. And I was like, all this like baby stuff that I didn't order and wasn't even on my registry. And so I was like, how is this happening? Somehow one of you guys, I'm just gonna say her name because she's on my Patreon, Andrea, is like the sweetest ever, and somehow found my like registry that I had and then was able to somehow order stuff and then send it to my mom's. I don't know how, but she did it. And then she also sent some stuff for Snow. So I had my mom open these packages. She's like, yeah, it's a bunch of baby stuff. I'm like, I didn't order baby stuff. And so we found out that it came from Andrea. So Andrea, thank you so much. So the stuff that you see that's open here, I haven't seen myself, but my mom did open some of it and kind of tell me like, oh, that looks like stuff for Snow or for Storm. So we're gonna open it now. I'm gonna see it for the first time with you guys. And thank you again, Andrea, so much. Like, we're so grateful. You really did not have to do that, but it's really sweet that you thought of her. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? So this looks like it's for baby Storm. Actually, I don't know, maybe it's really stretchy. Maybe, yeah. I don't don't think Snow will fit in this, but Storm will definitely fit in that, and that's really cute. So thank you. And then these are adorable. Can you guys see these? They have little loops on them, so Snow can pull her socks up on her own, and she loves putting socks and shoes and just getting dressed, so she's gonna love these. So thank you so much for sending those. And she, like Andrea, went way overboard and got way too many things, to the point where you're like, you feel bad because you're like, oh my god, you really shouldn't have gotten so much stuff, you know? But we're so, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is adorable. This is gonna fit Snow, and she can pass it down to Storm when she grows out of it. Super cute outfit. Love that. Love like the neutral colors. Okay, wait, here's another one. Like fell out. Oh, baby stuff is the best. Look how cute this one is. So adorable. Thank you. Here's some more stuff. Okay, hold on. She sent so much stuff for the baby. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Andrea. This is so sweet. Okay, so socks. Baby needs socks. These are the little Gerber 6-pack wiggle-proof stay-on. Oh, they're so tiny, you guys. Thank you. Oh, I'm really excited about this. This is gonna be so cute. I forget how like little babies are when they come out. Then you look at the clothes and you're like, oh my god, these clothes are so tiny. Oh my god, are you freaking kidding me? This is so soft and cozy. Look at the little feet with the bears. Oh my god, so adorable. I cannot wait to put him in that. So much stuff. I cannot believe how much stuff she sent. Thank you, Andrea. This is way too much. It's funny because like I feel like I needed to buy too much stuff for Storm, and then I was going through his clothes and I'm like, oh, I kind of do need to get some stuff. So I bought a few things, but I wish I didn't. Oh my gosh, these are perfect. I was actually looking at these and I just ordered a couple, but not a lot. So this is so perfect. These are the little layettes with the little mittens on them so they don't scratch. This is perfect for like when they're really tiny, and it came in like a little 3-pack. Oh, this one says loved. So cute. Thank you so much. We're definitely going to be using all of this stuff. Oh, these are super cute too. We have similar tastes. I would have bought all the same stuff. And then here's a little 4-pack of like little baby leggings. Oh, so cute. Dang, I'm set. I didn't have to like buy anything. Andrea bought everything for Storm. Storm thanks you, Andrea. And then here is another pack of little socks, 3 to 6 months. We are set. Thank you so much. This was so generous and thoughtful of you. I don't know what I did to deserve you guys, but you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, this next package looks like it's from Violet Pink's boutique. It says fragile, handle with care. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. If this is what I think it is, I'm gonna die. Okay, hi Shannon. I hope you like these custom Air Force Ones I made for you and Snow. Can't wait to see you wear them. I want to give you this code if you would like to share it with your followers. That would be great. Much love, Violet. 15% off code SNOW15 at Violet's Pink Boutique or violetspinkboutique.com. How cute. Can you guys see this? Thank you so much, Violet. Oh my god. This is like... Oh my god, are you freaking kidding me? She is gonna freak out. These are the cutest. These are probably like the fanciest pair of shoes that she has. These are so cute. It's the little Air Force Ones with sunflowers on them. So stinking cute. Oh my god, thank you so much. Holy shit, I got a pair too. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I am gonna be so styling. This is probably the coolest pair of shoes that I own now. So thank you so much. We definitely need to do like a fun little Instagram photo shoot in these shoes because these are so much fun. Thank you so much, Violet. So cute. Okay, next up, so this my mom also opened because this was like from another YouTube mom, Tiffany Beeston, who I love. She's like, does a lot of like cleaning and like cooking videos, and she's just like that like cute, perfect mom everyone wants to be. I love her, and she came out with this. There is a powerful driving force inside every human that once unleashed can make any vision, dream, or desire a reality. Tony Robbins. Dear Shannon, Happy New Year. I hope you plan chicly with my collab goodies. Love, Tiffany Beeston. Oh, thanks, Tiff. That is so sweet. So I love that quote that she put in here. So she came out with this actually a while ago, and I feel bad because I'm just now opening it up. But like, if you want to be like organized and have your shit together, I would get one of these because she is like one of those people that is like so organized. She plans everything. And I feel like if you plan stuff out, your life is so much more organized. So this is all really good quality. Now if my dumbass can figure out how to open it. Okay, here we go. So it comes in this really cool box. Wow, this is nice. The box is actually really nice. Like I would keep this and put it on my desk. And then, oh my gosh, how cute. Look at these little stickers. Oh my god, this is adorable. I love stickers. stickers to plan stuff is so much more fun. This planner belongs to an amazing human. If found, please return to. Plan chicly. And it has the dates, a place for notes and thoughts. This is great if you're a YouTuber also. This is so cool. Thank you, Tiffany, for sending this over. And then there's also a journal that came with it, which is so sweet that she sent this all over. I love this. Oh, wow. It actually like has stuff. It's hard for you guys to see, but it has stuff that says practice gratitude every day. Today I'm grateful for, and it says 3 things I'm proud of today. Today's biggest triumph, today's biggest challenge, and then positive affirmation. This is so cool. Oh my God, I love this. What a great idea. That's like genius. And then it also came with get it all done to-do list with this little pin, and it's like, oh my gosh, I think it's a magnet. You could put it on your freaking fridge. You put like your shopping list. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Tiffany. I'm sorry it took me so long to open this. I'm super excited about all of these things. Oh. Okay, next up, this is from Canada. Ooh, cool. Oh, no way. Freaking kid's book. I get so excited about this. Okay. This says, to Snow and Baby Boy, hope you enjoy my book, Marion. Hi, Shannon. My name is Marion. I've been watching you and your little family grow for such a long time, and I'm super happy for you and everything you have accomplished. I have just recently published a children's book titled, And Just Like That. It spotlights the current ongoing pandemic and ways to stay healthy and safe during these uncertain times, following back on his long worldwide journey. As soon as it was published, I thought of super adorable Snow. I remember you saying she loved to read and I wanted to add to her collection. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. If you can find my book on Amazon worldwide by simply searching And Just Like That by Marion in the search bar. So if you guys want to support her children's book, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's like so bright and colorful. Snow's gonna love this. She loves books so much. Oh, I can't wait to read this with her. Thank you so much for sending this. She does love books. She's like obsessed with books. So thank you for adding to her collection. Okay, next up. Oh my God, no way. Are you kidding? Another book? This is so exciting. Story of the One Sock Monkey, written by Jessica Fuller. A little note inside. If you enjoy it, I would be happy to send you a few more copies for you to share with friends and family. Oh, congrats on baby number 2. Thank you so much. I wrote it after having my son. It's a short story about a stay-at-home dad. As a small-time author, I always appreciate sharing. Oh, of course, yes. Thank you for sending this. The Story of One Sock Monkey. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful the pages are. Oh, I love this. A stay-at-home dad like Travis. This is so perfect. Thank you so much. And I'm sure you guys can all just put in the title and the author's name, written by Jessica Fuller, if you guys want to support our subscribers, our Rose fam. I always want to support all of us. Like, we are like a family here. So thank you for sharing that with me. And I hope that you guys check it out also if you're in the market for some fun books. Oh my God, no way. This is so much fun right now. Let's see if there's a note. Okay. Snow is like the most spoiled child ever. And Storm is going to be spoiled too, because now he's going to have all these books. The Restless Rooster by Jasmine Boynovsky. Oh, there's like a really sweet note in here. Thank you so much for accepting my book. I have been a huge fan of yours for a while. I am thankful that you care for your followers, because at least for me, I feel like we are friends. We all are friends. We are like family here. Don't ever forget that. Being in a pandemic, your vlogs have helped me feel less alone. You and your husband are so open, which is something you don't need to do, but I'm so thankful you have opened your life to us. You recently talk about you and your husband working on your marriage, and same with me. Me and my husband are now in therapy. Okay, I don't want to go too much into it just in case she doesn't want me to talk about this, but Jasmine and Amelia, thank you so much for sending your book. I cannot wait to read this, you guys. Again, if you want to support our Rose fam members, check out these books. How cute are these pages? I love this. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's see what is next. Okay, so this is another one that I didn't see that was from Andrea Pate, I'm pretty sure. And it looks like she sent over, oh my God, this is, I'm literally getting ready to like buy all these things. And she sent them all over, these soft little adorable beanies in all these different colors. Thank you so much, Andrea, again. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm gonna repay you. There's more stuff from Andrea. Andrea, a gift from Ronald and Andrea Pate. I hope you and your baby continues to do well. God bless you. Love always, Andrea. You freaking sent way too much stuff, Andrea. Oh my goodness. There's more baby stuff for Storm. It's like all organic too. Little baby mitts. Look how tiny these are. Seriously, look at my hand and look how tiny these are. Oh my gosh. Dream big. Look at these little hats, these little beanies for newborn baby. Oh, so cute. There's more stuff. I can't believe this. Like I said, not gonna have to do any shopping. Oh, these are all little newborn onesies and they have the little mitts. These are so perfect, Andrea. Thank you so much. Literally, he's just gonna be wearing everything that Andrea sent. Andrea bought Storm's whole wardrobe. My gosh, thank you so much. These are adorable and so cute and tiny. I don't know what I did like for you to want to send me all this stuff for our baby, but thank you so much. You're like one of the family members like sending, oh my gosh, Burt's Bees, little onesies. Oh my God, these are so cute. Literally he's set like for a really long time, for at least like the first 6 months of his life. He's gonna be dressed so decked out and cute because of Andrea. Oh my gosh, look at these little beanies. Oh my gosh, these are freaking adorable. They're like the little tie ones, you know? So cute. Literally, oh my gosh, more socks. All like boy neutral colored stuff. This is adorable, Andrea. I just feel like way too much. Newborn, little baby newborn socks. Do you see how tiny these are? With the little slip things on the bottom. Oh my gosh. I'm like so grateful that you sent all this stuff, but I feel so bad because I feel like it's so much. Oh, the little leggings, little striped ones, and then gray ones. So stinking cute. Andrea, thank you so much. Honestly, like I don't know how I'm gonna repay you for all the stuff that you sent. Thank you. I'm like overwhelmed with like how much stuff you sent for Storm. That was really sweet of you. So thank you so much. We really truly are so grateful. I think that's everything. So thank you guys so much for watching this PO box unboxing. We are so grateful that you guys take the time to send us stuff, and like even think to send us stuff is like so sweet, and we really do appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. So thank you. It's so much fun. It feels like we're able to like connect in some way. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video.
I'm on a different course, riding around and I'm whipping a Porsche. They used to hate on me bad, now I got them sad. I'm the one that they didn't endorse. Now look who's shining, now look who winning. Do this for my kid, but I am not kidding. I hit the bottom, now I got it popping. Just take a good look at the way that I'm living. Working the grind, gaining respect. Every day I be getting a